Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises versatility, speed, and safety, the iSiLER 1800W Portable Induction Cooktop. If you've ever found yourself wishing for extra cooking space, a faster way to boil water, or a safer alternative to traditional stovetops, especially with little ones around, then this is a product you'll want to pay close attention to. Let's start with the core of what makes an induction cooktop so appealing, and that's its speed and efficiency. The iSiLER boasts a powerful 1800W output, and this isn't just a number. In real-world use, this translates to incredibly fast heating. Boiling water for pasta or tea takes a fraction of the time compared to a standard electric coil or even many gas stovetops. This rapid heating is thanks to induction technology, which directly heats the cookware itself rather than heating the cooktop surface and then transferring that heat. This means less wasted energy and a more responsive cooking experience. One of the standout features here is the sheer number of control options. We're not just talking about a few power settings. The iSiLER offers 18 distinct power levels, ranging from a gentle 100W all the way up to that impressive 1800W. What's really neat is the incremental adjustment. You can fine-tune your cooking from 100W to 1800W in 100W increments, and there's even a shortcut for 300W by long pressing a button. This granular control allows you to perform a wide array of cooking techniques. Whether you need a very low simmer for sauces, a medium heat for sautés, or high heat for searing steaks, this cooktop can handle it. The product lists functions like simmering, deep frying, boiling, sautéing, steaming, slow cooking, and even grilling, and the extensive power levels certainly support these claims. Beyond just power, the iSiLER also offers 17 preset temperature levels. This is where things get really interesting for precision cooking. The temperature can be adjusted from a low 140 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a substantial 460 degrees Fahrenheit, with increments of 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, there's a long press function for a 60-degree Fahrenheit adjustment, which streamlines the process. Having precise temperature control is a game-changer for delicate dishes, candy making, or simply ensuring your food is cooked to perfection without burning. The touch buttons are described as sensitive and large, which contributes to an enhanced user experience. Navigating through these settings feels intuitive and responsive. Portability and application are key selling points for a countertop burner like this. The cooktop surface itself has a diameter of about 6.7 inches, which is designed to accommodate frying pans ranging from 3.9 to 8.6 inches. This ensures a good, uniform heated area for your cookware. The compact and lightweight design, with a thickness of just 2.3 inches, makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. This is perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, RVs, camping trips, or simply for adding extra cooking capacity when you're entertaining guests and your main stove is maxed out. It's designed for areas where space is limited, and it certainly delivers on that front. Safety is a major consideration for any kitchen appliance, and the iSiLER addresses this with a few thoughtful features. The long 3-hour timer is a practical addition, allowing you to set it and walk away knowing it will shut off automatically. You can adjust the timer in 1-minute increments, with a quick 10-minute jump by long pressing the buttons. More importantly, it includes an overheating protection feature, which is crucial for preventing accidents. And for households with children, the dedicated child lock function is an absolute lifesaver, preventing accidental activation or changes to settings. The rounded edges also contribute to overall safety, reducing the risk of bumps and scrapes. Finally, let's talk about durability and maintenance. The premium glass surface is designed for wear resistance, meaning it should hold up well to regular use. Cleaning is also straightforward, which is always a big plus in my book. A quick wipe down with a damp cloth is usually all that's needed after cooking. This ease of maintenance, combined with the robust build, suggests this will be a reliable appliance for a good while. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the extensive power levels and precise temperature control offer incredible cooking versatility. The rapid heating is a significant time saver. Its portability and compact design make it ideal for various living situations and uses. The safety features, especially the child lock and overheating protection, provide peace of mind. And the easy-to-clean glass surface adds to its user-friendliness. However, there are a couple of points to consider. Induction cooktops, by their very nature, require compatible cookware. This means you'll need pots and pans made of magnetic materials like iron or stainless steel. If your current cookware isn't compatible, that's an additional investment to factor in. Also, while it's portable, it does require an electrical outlet, so it's not a completely off-grid solution. In conclusion, the iSiLER 1800W Portable Induction Cooktop is a very capable and well-rounded kitchen appliance. It strikes a great balance between power, precision, portability, and safety. If you're looking to expand your cooking capabilities, speed up your meal prep, or simply add a safer and more efficient cooking option to your kitchen, this iSiLER unit is definitely worth a serious look. It's a testament to how modern technology can make everyday cooking more enjoyable and efficient. Link in the description.